Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install Shazam on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Shazam and search. So you should see it listed in the search results. So tap on it to confirm that it's by Apple. And then you want to tap on Get to start the installation process. So from here, you'll need to confirm by entering in your Apple account password or using your Face ID. And then simply wait for the app to be installed. Once the installation is complete, you want to tap on Open to launch it. Then from here, you can now start using Shazam. So tap on Continue. And now, whenever you want to recognize a song, simply tap on this button and Shazam will start searching for that specific song. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.